Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the basic privacy settings on TikTok. So if you want to know the privacy settings on your TikTok, you just need to follow my video here. So I've already on the TikTok apps, and if you want to find the privacy settings, you can just head to your profile. Then you can click on the three lines icon at the top, then go to the settings and privacy in here. So here you can see there is this privacy options, so just tap on that, and you can see there are so many privacy settings in TikTok. The first one is, of course, you can set your account into private, so only users you can approve can follow you and watch your videos, but your existing followers won't be affected. And in here, if you want to hide your activity status, you can just allow this feature. So when this is turned on, you and your friends will see each other's activity status, and you will see each other's activity status only when both of you turn this on. So if you want to hide your activity status, you can just turn this off like this until it turns to gray. And there is also this suggest your account to others. So if you want to your friends to discover your TikTok account, you can use this. You can allow it from contacts, Facebook friends, and also people who open or send links to you. There's also sync contacts and Facebook friends if you want to. I'm turning it off because I don't want to. And you can also set the privacy of location services. Here I'm choosing never, so uh, I'm not using this. And you can also set privacy on your interactions like comment, mentioned, direct message. So I set it only for my friends. So only my friends can send me DMs. Story, I also only allow my friends to see it. Duet stage, you can set it. And stickers, I'm adjusting for everyone. And downloads off. Following list, only me, and also like videos. And the favorite sounds is off, and post view and profile views is on, so I can always know who views my profile. Here there's also this block account, so this will show my list of block accounts. So that's the basic settings on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.